YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world right after Google, and it has more than 2 billion monthly active users. This makes YouTube a highly effective platform for businesses to reach out to their target audience through video content. But how do you do all this? Well, we have got you covered. My name is Charin Kanwar, and today we are going to get an idea of YouTube marketing. YouTube marketing refers to the process of using YouTube to promote your brands, products, or services. It involves creating and publishing video content on your YouTube channel to reach and engage with your target audience. The first step in YouTube marketing is to create a YouTube channel for your business. You can then start creating videos that are relevant to your brand or products. Your videos can be anything from product demos, tutorial, reviews, field blogs, behind the scenes footage, or any other type of video that your target audience would find interesting and engaging. Once you have created your videos, it's time to optimize them for search engines. This involves adding keywords to your video titles, description, and tags, as well as creating eye-catching thumbnails that will entice viewers to click on your videos. The next step is to promote your videos through various channels. You can share your videos on social media platforms, embed them on your website, and include them in email marketing campaigns. You can also run YouTube ads to reach a wider audience. YouTube marketing can benefit your business in several ways. Firstly, it can help you build brand awareness and increase your online presence. Secondly, it can drive traffic to your website and increase sales. Thirdly, it can help you build relationship with your target audience by creating engaging and informative content that they will find valuable. In conclusion, YouTube marketing is a very powerful tool for businesses looking to reach their target audience through video content. By creating and publishing videos that are relevant and engaging, optimizing them for search engines, and promoting them through various channels, businesses can increase their online presence, drive traffic to their website, and build relationships with their target audience. So, if you haven't already considered incorporating YouTube marketing into your overall marketing strategies, to know and learn more about YouTube marketing and the steps to use it in your advantage, you can enroll in a digital marketing course. You can take the Digital Marketing Foundation Masterclass to know more. The link will be in the description box below. For more informative videos on digital marketing, do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.